Alex with EP Garage here. So I have this N51 with persistent cylinder 6 misfire and sometimes cylinder 3. I changed plugs, coils, wires from I had another car with the same engine. Then I put new plugs in, valve cover gasket, valve covers, all brand new, PCV system, and still same thing, dude. I checked everything, checked all the data, checked freaking O2 sensor values, everything. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Then the first thing I did, I checked the diesels. Both flappers were intact, one of them was not working, so I replaced it. Guess what? Finally, I'm pissed off, stressed, take the intake manifold off, and I found this right here, the flappers from the diesel. I guess somebody replaced the diesel and never took those out. One was in cylinder 6, one was in cylinder 3. Just in case you guys have this and you didn't take your intake manifold off, that might be a possibility. I would check, I would do it right away. Next time, that's what I'm gonna do on all cars, no matter what, because you never know.